It's time to give our little garden shed a mini makeover. Let's go. First, I need to dispose of the old plants and soil, which is all going to be replaced. Next, let's paint the trellis. This colour is Monument, which we're also using to paint the fence when we finally get that done. Now I'm going to dig in a mix of fresh soil and mushroom compost, top food, especially for roses. The next job is to place the climbing rose, lavender, foxgloves and seaside daisies into position. With a bit of TLC, this gorgeous rose will add some extra colour to the garden as it climbs up and around the shed. Spread a generous layer of pea straw mulch across the garden bed and give it a good drink. Let's give that dirty window a scrub while we're at it. And to finish, something pretty for the door. All done, time for a cup of tea. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.